Okay, so good day, grade 8 Makati Science High School students. Okay, so for our third lesson, okay, for the third week, we have polygons. Okay, so we're going to be discussing a lot about polygons, certain problems about polygons, and these are just refresher problems, and we can use these problems to review for our quiz, okay, for the quiz that you will have on the next week. Okay, so we're going to be talking about regular polygons, and also we're going to be finding about different angle measurements and side measurements regarding regular polygons. Okay, so we have here this first problem. Althea wants to create a pentagon-shaped backpack for her sister's cosplay event and a hexagonal shoulder bag for her sister. So the pentagonal bag, named Penta, and her sister's hexagonal bag, named Buckley, has a ratio of 5:6. Okay, so if the perimeter of the top side of the pentagonal bag is 75 centimeters, what is the perimeter of the top side of the hexagonal bag? So we have here two types of bags. Okay, let's use this black pen. So we have here this pentagonal bag. Okay, this is for Althea. And for her sister, she has a hexagonal bag. Okay, named Buckley. Okay, so how can we solve for the perimeter of this hexagonal bag given only the ratio of the two bags and also the perimeter of the pentagonal bag that we have here? So to solve this problem, we're going to be using ratios. Okay, so again, let's try to go back. Let's try to go back with this problem. It says here, okay, this is the given problem, and we've already understood what they're trying to ask us, or what they want us to solve for this problem. They want us to solve for the perimeter of the hexagonal bag. The perimeter of this hexagonal bag, the top side of the hexagonal bag, given that the perimeter of the top side of the pentagonal bag is equal to 75 centimeters. Okay, for the solution, our first step here is gonna be, since we know that the perimeter of the top side of the pentagonal bag is equal to 75 centimeters, we can divide that by 5. Okay, to get the measurement of one of the sides of this regular pentagon that we have here. So 75 divided by 5, that should give us around 15. Okay, so therefore the measurement of one side of the pentagonal bag is gonna be 15 centimeters. And since we know that the side is equal to 15 centimeters, using the ratio that we have here for the pentagonal and the hexagonal bag, so that's gonna give us 5 all over 6 is equal to 1 unit of measurement of the side of the pentagonal bag, which is equal to 15, and 1 unit of side of the hexagonal bag, which we do not know. And we can represent that as x. Okay, so therefore, x is the missing, or the side that we do not know the measurement of on this hexagonal bag, the top side of the hexagonal bag for Althea's sister. So to solve for the value of x, we can use the cross multiplication method for ratios. So we have here 5x is gonna be equal to 15 multiplied by 6, and 15 times 6 is just equal to, okay, 15 times 6, that's gonna give us 90. Okay, so therefore for our fourth step, we have 5x is equal to 90, and if we divide both sides by 5, okay, so 90 divided by 5 is gonna give us 18. So therefore the value of the side measurement for the hexagonal bag that we have here is gonna be 18 centimeters, and that's just the value of x. That's just the side measurement of the hexagonal bag. We want to get the perimeter of the top side of the hexagonal bag. To do so, we have here this fifth step. Okay, so we can multiply the 18 that we have here by the number of sides that we have for a hexagonal bag. And since it's a hexagon, of course, it's gonna have 6 sides. Okay, so that's 18 times 6. Okay, so therefore, what's 18 times 6? So that's gonna give us 108. So there you go. So the measurement of the perimeter of the hexagonal bag, the top side of the hexagonal bag for Althea's sister is gonna be 108 centimeters. So there you go. Okay, so that's how we solve the problem through these 5 steps, and this is the answer.